Welcome to ChangeBuz tutorials. In this growing world, there are many restrictions or delay with one payment system. But don't be sad, you've the ChangeBuz with you, because ChangeBuz is the only company which allows you to encash your funds or to transfer the funds from one e-wallet to another. ChangeBuz is the only most effective and fastest way to exchange your funds. Just open up your browser and search for www.changebuz.com and click on Create Account. Before creating your account, you can also check the rates for your satisfaction. Select your e-wallets. And on the next page you will need to enter the amount which you need exchange into this field. Automatically it will calculate the price and let you know the price into next field. Also remember, you will receive the exact price which is showing to you in this field. It has already deducted the fee of ChangeBuz. Now go to Create Account to create your account. Trust me, it is just a matter of seconds. You just need to choose your unique username, your regular email address, your alphanumeric password. Again, retype it, pass the Google reCAPTCHA and click on Register button. Bingo! You have now created your account with ChangeBuz. Now it will automatically redirect you to your account section page, where you need to verify your account through your email. It is just to confirm your account ownership. Click on the account verification and last on the left side menu. Click on the Send Verification Email. Now you need to open your email address and check for the email from ChangeBuz. If it is not received on your inbox, you can also check on your spam or junk folder. Just click on Confirm Account button. That's it. Your account is now verified. Thank you for watching this video.